welcome back again to being welcomed back. It's me, Drew. We covered that. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I'm rocking back in this chair. I hope it doesn't break. First of all, random, my bad. Well, we're already here. So, hi guys, welcome back again to being welcomed back. It's me, Drew. We covered that. Today, it's day 6 of July 2018 box week. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you're still here, first of all, I'm impressed. I'm impressed by your ability to stick around for something that just seems like it's on a rocky path. It's probably not going to get better. I just want to say that up front. This is probably going to keep going throughout this whole video, so just want to make you aware of that up front so you kind of know what you're getting into. I'm Drew, and if you want to be in the Just Like Drew family, click subscribe down below and just kick it with us. Box week is like the best week every month because we spend 7 consecutive days together. There is going to be a brand new video for 7 days. You're catching us on day 6. We open up all my subscription boxes. We make friends in Just Like Drew crew. Why am I looking down? I'm like, what am I doing with my life? So today we're opening up Ricky's Cult Crushes. Ricky's Cult Crushes is subscription that I started getting. This is the 3rd one that I've received. When I first got it, 2 months ago it was $11. Now it's $14 a month. They've kind of been a subscription that has had a lot of hype about them, but it's kind of been interesting because some of the hype is like, oh my gosh, it's like one of the best new subscriptions on the market, and some of it's like it's kind of overrated. So this is my 3rd month having it. I'm still kind of on the fence about it. The first month I loved it. The second month I was kind of like okay about it. So I'm still trying to decide how I totally feel about it. So far I do like it. I've got my man Mr. John Wayne here, and I do have this box here. John Wayne is to help us open up the subscription box. This box is our goodie box called the Stockpile Giveaway. This is the 4th box that we have started. Basically what it is I get a bunch of items in my subscription box. This is going to totally irritate people all night. Don't care. And instead of trying to keep everything for myself, I like to give back to my YouTube family. And so we basically put items in here that get my subscriptions. I keep some for myself. I give some in here. And once it's full, I just post a video that says our box is full and enter this giveaway. And then I pick somebody at random and that's it. So this is the 4th one that we are doing. So let's just get into this box now that it's been like 8 minutes of me just kind of talking. And if you've been with me during box week, I did have some Nespresso coffee before filming this video. And you guys advised me in the Ipsy video, you're like, you know, maybe don't have espresso before filming a video. And I was like, that's a good idea. And then I was like, you know what, I'm going to do that again because it just worked out so well last time. So here's the box. Here's this. I also, hold on, before I open this, I want to point out, look at how the box came. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like some party in the box. Like literally, like the box is already exploding with a party before I even get into it. So I'm going to cut the seal on this. I'm going to try to cut this without cutting myself. I'm going to put John Wayne off to the side because he can be dangerously handsome. And on the top they have a card. On the back here it usually explains to you what's in the box, what everything costs, what it's worth. And I'm going to start grabbing stuff out here. Alright, so the first thing that we have is Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. Fluttering volume. Get flirty with lush, thicker, and softer lashes. From Smack Beauty. This is what it looks like. I don't know why I got so much drama on that Smack Beauty line, but I just felt like Smack Beauty, it deserves to be said with drama. So here's my question. Is this seriously like supposed to, okay, it's got peptide blend conditions lashes to create a beautiful voluminous look. Gets you growing. I can't read right now. Biotin is associated with healthy hair growth and texture. Okay, so apparently these are actually supposed to help my lashes grow and to get more volume. You know what? I'm gonna keep this. I've never had like a lash like growing. Like I use like lash primers when putting on mascara, but I've never used anything that's supposed to help my lashes grow. So it's kind of interesting. I actually think it's really cool that they put this inside of the box. It says, so how to use in a sweeping motion, apply serum to upper lash line starting from inner corner of the eye to the outer edge and back. Use daily for best results. Okay, so we'll check this out and see how it works. I'll try to be intentional and post about this on like Snapchat or Instagram and just see if my lashes seem like they're growing. I do have long lashes already, but I don't wear fake lashes, so maybe this will help me out so I don't feel like I have to wear fake lashes, you know what I mean? Okay, so the next item that we have is Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick in Death Dealer from LA Splash. I don't know how I feel about a lipstick called Death Dealer. Part of me is like, yeah, this is Death Dealer on my lips. Mess with me. Try to take my parking spot. And then the other side of me is like, ooh, it's got Death Dealer. Ooh, I don't know if I can do that. You know what I mean? It's like kind of weird. So let's pull it out here. Ooh, you guys, look at this like little container. It's really like sexy. I won't even lie. This is sexy. And it looks like the color inside, okay, it's 911 Death Dealer. It looks like it's kind of like a pinky magenta tone. Okay, I'm like, I'm gonna swatch this. I wasn't sure if I want to keep it or not, but I'm really tempted to see what this color looks like. Oh my gosh. This is like a really pretty like purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? That is the Death Dealer. I'm slayed right now. I was like, I just am shook. I'm probably gonna have to wear this like every day of my life. This is really, really neat. I love the packaging. This is a really, really sexy lipstick color. I feel bad that I'm keeping everything so far. I'm sorry, you guys, but I honestly, I'm getting items that I've not tried before or experienced, and that's honestly why I picked the subscription to get in the first place, because I wanted to get something that like kind of broadened my horizons. I felt like I was getting so much repetitive stuff, and as you can see, they're giving out things in this box that you're not getting in other boxes. So far, I'm like, this box is worth it. I'm done this month. Like, it's amazing. All right. The next item that we have is Ricky's Backstage Travel Cleansing Wipes. Okay, these are makeup removing wipes, and they're actually from the brand like Ricky's NYC, which is the company that creates Ricky's Cult Crushes. I'm definitely gonna put this in the giveaway box. I'm sorry that I'm just putting cleansing wipes in there. I feel bad that this is like the first item that I'm putting in there, but I have tried like cleansing wipe products before, so I'm gonna put these in there so somebody else can try cleansing wipes if they haven't. All right, now there's more stuff down here. All right, the next thing that we have is, I can't read anything right now, Coconut Concoction. This is Vanishing Potion number 33, waterproof makeup remover. Ooh, from LA Splash. So this is like a makeup remover. It looks really, really cool. I'm not gonna open this because I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box too. This looks really, really neat. LA Splash is a really cool cosmetics company line. So you're gonna be putting this in the giveaway box as well. I really, really like it. I know we already put some makeup remover in there as well, but this is waterproof makeup remover. So kind of what the difference is from like normal eye makeup removers. A lot of times when you use makeup removers, you feel like you really have to kind of scrub. This, I believe, is something that's gonna help you not only remove like waterproof mascara like easier without feeling like you're ripping up your skin, but it's also probably gonna help remove things like liquid lipsticks that are like on you that are probably hard to remove. So that's really, really awesome. All right, the next item that we have is Glamazon Beauty Blushing Beauties. Okay, so it looks like we have a blush in here. Let's try to open this up to see what the color looks like. I can't get it open. Maybe I can. Believe in yourself, Drew. Give yourself some credit, girl. You can do this. All right. Ooh. And we got like this really sexy, it's like a hot pink blush in there. That is really, really hot. Okay. I have like a million blushes, so this is actually going to go into our giveaway box. I didn't open this. I just kind of wanted to open to see the color. And it's called Candy Girl number 5. Again, that's what it looks like. Dude, this box is dope. Like, I'm so happy I kept this. I said last month that I wasn't sure how I felt about it since they had like raised the price, because my big concern was, I'm like, you know, they had raised the price and I didn't feel like last month that they came out like swinging really hard. This month I definitely feel like they came out swinging. I really am happy and impressed with it. I also think it looks like they changed up like the front packaging of the box. You can see like they have the little like actual logo printed on there now, so it seems like they're actually kind of in the process of updating it and like rebranding a little bit, so to speak, and I'm definitely here for it. I am excited about it. So to recap this box, we got the Glamazon Beauty by Kim Baker Candy Girl Blush. That is going into our stockpile giveaway. We got the Ricky's travel wipes for makeup removing, and this is like a good size pack of them too. There's 10 of them in here, also going in the giveaway box. We also got the Vanishing Potion waterproof makeup remover. This is going in the giveaway box as well, and I'm gonna put those in there right now. We also got the Wickedly Divine liquid lipstick from LA Splash, which is right there in the shade 911 Death Dealer, and I am so excited to see what this looks like on my face and not just on my hand. As well as we got the volumizing lash serum from Smack Beauty. So this is like a lash like thing that you put on to like actually help your lashes grow longer. So I'm excited to see how that works and interested in that. Last month they actually gave us They were like these hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I think it's really cool that when they're giving out products, that they're giving you stuff that actually helps like improve like your beauty routine, stuff that you're just like, man, I wish my lashes would go better, or I wish my hair would grow better. I kind of like that they're mindful of those things. I don't know. So I would love if you guys would tell me, if you get this box, what you think of it, what you've been feeling it, if you've been keeping the box, if you've been checking it out, if it's on your list. I will say, I don't have a link to put down below to sign up for this box. I know it's really bizarre. That's the one thing I will say about this that's kind of difficult. When I signed up for this box, I had to get put on like some kind of like waiting list, and then they'll let you know when there's an opening, and then they have like one day every month that you can even try to sign up to get this box. That's the only thing that's kind of difficult about this, is actually signing up for it. I don't know. And I'm just like looking at this card, like I said, it's just amazing, like the products we got in here this month. I'm really, really impressed by it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos with me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button, subscribe button down below this video. And join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and make sure you're here tomorrow for day 7 of box week, where we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which I just have to say, I feel like this giveaway is off to such a banging start. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. What flavor last time?
A fun boo, but it's kind of a bit spicy to me sometimes.
Spicy? For me, it's a side.